The decisions we make today will shape what Zambian mining looks like in 30, 40 years' time from now. That is the time frame in which we operate, not just the next quarter, but also the next generation. ZCCM-IH is the only listed company giving investors exposure to Zambia's copper, energy, and wider mineral endowment on a single balance sheet. We have strategic equity and royalty positions across the country's largest mining and power assets. Our holdings are generating cash today and positioned for growth. The world has never needed copper more than now. Zambia is targeting 3 million tons of copper a year. We sit at the center of that story. Listed in Lusaka, London, and Paris, with a market capitalization approaching $1.5 billion, we carry a national mandate but operate with a resolute focus on commercial discipline reflected in 10 consecutive years of dividends to our shareholders. Copper is the majority of our net asset value. Our strategy is simple: grow predictable cash flow and maximize production. Take Kansanshi. Our royalty there has delivered over $110 million since 2022. And in years the mine declared no dividend, the royalty paid us regardless. Insulated from cost inflation and operating risk, we are aiming to extend that model across the portfolio. Mingomba, one of the world's most promising undeveloped copper assets, is expected online by 2031. Luanshya's Shaft 28 reopens this August. Our energy portfolio is generating cash today. Mamba runs the country's only thermal baseload plant at very nearly 100% load factor. Its first dividend was paid last year and is now paid on a quarterly cycle. Our investment will double its capacity to 600 megawatts. Our recently announced investment in Evergreen Energy will replicate the scale of Mamba within the next 5 years. Through Copperbelt Energy Corporation, we own a 33.51% stake in the transmission backbone of the industrial heartland. And we are adding solar at scale because you cannot separate power from copper. Our businesses are both significant producers and users of power in Zambia. Beyond copper and energy, in our diversified minerals portfolio, we are formalizing Zambia's manganese and gold sectors, which have huge potential, and adding value through phosphate to produce fertilizer. Our recently announced joint venture at Ndola Lime will revitalize a 100-year-old Copperbelt institution. The next generation of Zambian copper has yet to be discovered, but we are positioning the company to support discovery and capture the value to come. Zambia is one of the most underexplored copper geologies in the world, and a jurisdiction focused on delivering for the Zambian people, whilst enabling strong investor returns. A nationwide aerial survey, now over half complete, is building the most comprehensive geological dataset the country has ever had. We hold a portfolio of greenfield exploration licenses in some of the most promising locations. That is the optionality for the next 40 years. No other listed company offers this: Zambian copper, energy and minerals on one balance sheet, with growing cash flows and paying consistent dividends. This is the platform for Zambia's transformation, built for the next quarter and building for the next generation.